nice unit. It's a U55-5. Buy a brand new one, this is what you get. 4-way hydraulic blade with a bolt-on cutting edge. It's got a quick coupler on it, quick coupler bucket. It's got a 30-inch bucket, but if somebody wanted a 24 or 18, we can do it. Hydraulic pin on thumb with auxiliary hydraulics. Splitter valve. It's got an enclosed cab, air conditioning, heat, backup camera. It does have brand new rubber tracks. Excellent machine. It's all original paint except for the counterweight. Everything else is all original. 800 hours. And it does have Kubota warranty on it. Pretty big warranty on it. Two-speed transmission pattern changer. It can turn or rotate and move all at the same time. We'll catch him around front here and put it in line. Then we've got 43 Kubota excavators, 33 skid steers. We've just about got everything Kubota makes except for the little baby excavators. Be the only thing. Review of everything we got. We got 10 Kubota 80s in stock.